everyone. So I live in Michigan, so it snowed last night. Actually, it's still kind of snowing. And I thought it'd be fun to collect some snow in a cookie sheet. And let's see what my parrots will do. They might do nothing. They might be super scared of it. They might play in it, but we'll see. This is another cute little video I could make and see what happens. Okay, here's the snow. So let's see who's gonna be first. I'm gonna try maybe Olivia because she was the scaredest yesterday. Let's see. Olivia, you gonna try the snow? I think Olivia likes the snow. No. Okay. What it? Snow. Huh, Milo? Is that snow? Is that weird? Oh. No? You don't like it? You don't like it either? So I guess the question is, do birds like snow? I would say the bird answer is no. Come on. I corner you in. I'm gonna make you step on the snow. Come on. Come on. Huh? Is that cold? Is that cold? Huh? How am I do? Is that cold? Come on. There you go. Is that cold? Is that weird? What is that? Huh? Milo, come on. Step in the snow. Come on. No. Don't stay here. Come stay here. Don't fly away. Most likely Zero wants nothing to do with it because he's my biggest chicken. He doesn't know new things. Zero, you gonna try? You gonna try playing with the snow? Huh? You gonna try? Gonna see what it is? It's cold. Yeah. Is that cold? Whee! Uh-oh! What happened? No, you don't like the snow? Aw. Verdict is no. Birds don't like snow. So it's too cold where they're from. They don't know it, I'm guessing. And I don't want to force them, obviously. I just thought to see what happens. Do they like snow? Would they play with it, touch it? But all three of my birds said, nope, thank you very much, don't like it. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye, guys. If you like what I do, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.